What's going on, y'all? Joe here from Lazy Lab Bakers, and I just wanted to make a quick video because this is a product that I think a lot of side hustlers and small business owners like myself could really utilize. So the product that I'm talking about is the Graco Quick Shot. So full disclosure, this is not mine. This is my dad's. My dad is a custom carpenter, and he's found that he's been spraying cabinets more frequently. We both have Fuji Semi-Pro 2 units. It's a different type of sprayer, and they've worked well for us, but this intrigued him. He got it, and he told me you got to give it a try. So this is a battery operated machine. It runs off of DeWalt batteries. It can run off of a flex volt. That's what I was running it with. The gun itself is super small, lightweight. This also comes with like a belt setup, so you can have this whole unit actually attached to your hip, so you don't even have to worry about it. But I just went and sprayed pieces for a 6-foot sign that I'm making, and I just wanted to give you my opinion, my initial impression of this, and I think it's worth it for sure. So boom, spoiler alert, this is awesome. You should get one of these if you need one, of course. But let me bring you in here if I can, and I'll just show you what the finish looks like, and that'll be it. I'm just telling you that it's nice. That's all. So as I mentioned, I'm spraying pieces for a sign. This is what I do for a living, in case you didn't know. So maybe that changes like whether my opinion matters or not on a product like this, but it looks really good. And this is an outdoor sign, so this is exterior paint. I didn't have to thin it. I didn't have to do anything like that. So I'm very happy with how it laid the paint down. Now, this video is not an instructional video on how to use the Quick Shot, and I don't feel like I can put that type of video together because this was legitimately my first project ever using it. And I just followed the handy dandy directions that it came with. So all you need to know right here, I followed that, and I successfully was able to paint all of these pieces. So it does have a pretty high price point, but what's your time worth? You always have to ask yourself that with higher price tools. So I just saved a ton of time. I'll probably have some quick shots here. Quick shot. I cracked myself up. But I'll show you spraying these. It's so fast. I mean, it's just done. It's not very loud. The hose is lightweight, and compared to the Fuji Semi-Pro 2, it is way more user-friendly. So, yeah, that's it. Just wanted to give you my opinion, a real non-sponsored, non-affiliated opinion on the product, in case you're searching and you're thinking about purchasing one for yourself. So, small business owner, sign maker, woodworker, I recommend it. So that's it. That's all I had for this one. So I'll see y'all. Appreciate you tuning in. And if you need any custom projects, let me know. Turkeys, jam, shipping containers. I work out of my house. See ya.